Hi, I'm Gretchen Anderson, D&B educator and University of Idaho Master Gardener. And today I'm in the garden putting in my tomatoes, but I am well ahead of the last frost date here in our area, which is May 10th. So I'm taking a chance, but not really, because I have my wall of waters that I put around all of the tomato plants. However, once I got the water in each chamber, I realized I had a leak. So I have a wall of water season extender repair kit. And there are 6 of them that come to a package. You can get them at D&B. And the easiest way, because once you have water in them, you say, okay, how do I do that? The easiest way to put a season extender into a current wall of water is put a broomstick into the wall of water season extender, and we're going to put it down into the bad chamber. You can use other things like maybe like a stir stick for paint, but the broomstick seems to work really well because it's long and you can pull it out. It's just as simple as that. And you know, I've had these wall of waters for about 7 or 8 seasons, and this is the first year that I've had to use a season extender. So what I'll do is I'll fill this up and we're good to go with that chamber, and then I'll leave these walls of water on my tomatoes until we're well into May, because we've seen snow here into May. So I want to make sure they're protected, protect my investment, and look forward to some yummy tomatoes. Happy gardening.